Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through downtown Kingston and we are going to talk about a new government program to fix roads in Jamaica. Now the roads in Jamaica are they need help. The government has had quite a few initiatives over the years to fix the roads. Now the latest one is called the GO program, or Graded Overlay Emergency Road Rehabilitation Program, but for short they call it GO. Now the government is going to be spending $1.6 billion to fix the main roads or the heavily trafficked roads in Kingston. And this program is different or separate from the REACH program, which was $3 billion, and they had another program, the Spark program, which is $45 billion. And then they also have the CapEx program, which is $15 billion. So this one seems to be the smallest. This one has got the smallest allotment of all the programs. So we are going to give you more information on this program. As Jamaicans prepare for increased travel during the Christmas season, the government has launched a new $1.6 billion initiative aimed at improving the condition of major roadways across the island. Minister with responsibility for works, Robert Morgan, says the Graded Overlay Emergency Road Rehabilitation GO program is expected to deliver a smoother and safer driving experience well into the new year. The GO program is designed as a rapid response road rehabilitation effort focusing on graded overlay work that can quickly stabilize deteriorated surfaces. Many of Jamaica's main roads have suffered from prolonged rainfall, heavy traffic, and deferred maintenance, resulting in potholes and uneven driving conditions. According to Minister Morgan, the program prioritizes practicality and speed, allowing critical road sections to be repaired without lengthy construction timelines. Importantly, the minister has clarified that the GO program should not be confused with the government's Relief, Emergency Assistance and Community Help REACH initiative. While both programs address road conditions, they were created for different purposes and under different circumstances. The REACH program, which was launched earlier in 2024 with a $3 billion allocation, was established as an emergency response to widespread damage caused by Hurricane Beryl and subsequent severe weather events. That initiative focuses on restoring access to communities, repairing storm-damaged infrastructure, and responding to urgent needs arising from natural disasters. By contrast, the GO program is not disaster specific. Instead, it targets heavily trafficked roadways that are essential to daily commuting, commerce, and national mobility. The goal is to improve driving comfort, reduce vehicle damage, enhance road safety, and support economic activity, particularly during peak travel periods such as Christmas. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about this latest road initiative and let us know what you think about the condition of the roads in Jamaica. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.